Guys, this is CSX EMD Train Lover, well, anyway, and this is my grandpa's state Pennsylvania set that I've never even seen before. Got a nice Pennsylvania steam engine with 4 passenger cars. It's got a mail car too.
Go subscribe
and,
to the Train Hunter.
And I'm gonna be running this train right now. So I'll put the camera down right here, and we'll do the first run by.
Go subscribe to the Train Hunter.
Start it up. Let's go slow guy here. It's like Strasbourg, basically, how they run it in Strasbourg with the engine in reverse. Pretty cool. I like it.
Subscribe to Kevin the Train Hunter.
As you can see it going away. Going away shot's pretty good. And as we see it here, coming around the bend, come up to the crossing. See? Wish I had sound, but it doesn't. Strasbourg way. Another run by here. As it's approaching the curve. As we see it, went chugging along, chugging along, chugging along, chugging along, chug. Speed up a little bit. Alright, there it goes. Alright, stop it when it hits the street. Stop it. Alright, stop it. Alright, now we're going to see the same train going in reverse and backing up. Alright, here we go. Go ahead. Back up. Same train, but just going in reverse now. Alright, let's stop there. And we see it now returning its trip back. Strasbourg way, but not really. You chase it, going away. Going around the curve. And as it starts slowing down, we'll see it stopping along here for the last end of the ride. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Alright, bye. And this is Kevin.
Don't forget to subscribe to Kevin the Train Hunter, kid.
Yeah, do that. Alright, bye.